guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, as we know, Louis Vuitton has just increased their prices. So what we're going to do, I'm going to share to you the old price and the new price, and we are going to see how much the prices increase. So guys, this would be very, very interesting, and I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramira52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, as of July 4, 2024, Louis Vuitton has progressed with their global price increase. I'll be sharing an in-depth price comparison of bags at SLGs that had the price increase comparing years of 2021 versus 2022 versus July 4, 2024 price increases. Please note, I will only be sharing bags at SLGs that had an increase. If they are not on the list, it means prices remains the same, such as Speedy 25 bandolier in monogram canvas and most of the Neverfull monogram bags. Also, my recommendation, if you are eyeing a bag or SLG, get them now. In previous years, Louis Vuitton practices 2 price increases in a year. Kindly like and share this video if this has been very helpful to you. Thank you fam, and happy shopping! Alright, let us start first with SLGs. Guys, the prices that I would be noting are before taxes. So first we have the Sarah wallet. The price 2020 is $830 USD. Same with 2021 and 2022. However, with the July 4th price increase, the new price is now $845 USD. So this is what the Sarah wallet looks like in the reverse monogram and monogram combination. Then of course we have the well-loved key pouch. I love mine. So for the prices last October 20th and 2021, it's the same price of $270 USD. However, it increased on 2022 $325, and now the new price is $330 USD. Next, we have the 4 key holder. So from 2020 to 2021 and 2022, it had the same price of $225 USD. And now the 4 key holder in the classic monogram canvas is priced at $270 USD. We have SKU here. And then the next on the SLG list, we have the card holder recto verso in the classic monogram canvas. So price on year 2020 and 2021 is $590 USD. Year 2022 price increased $620, and now it increased 10 more US dollars. So new price is $630 US dollars. Next, we have the Rosalie coin purse. Year 2020, 2021, and 2022, there is no price increase for $400 USD. However, after the July 4th price increase, the new price of the Rosalie coin purse in the classic monogram canvas is $410 USD. Next, we have the cosmetic pouch. Year 2020 and 2021, same price of $550, no price increase there. However, 2022, it increased $20 US dollars. And now, July 4, 2024, it increased another $10 USD. So now the price is $580 US dollars. Next, we have the Kirigami Pochette. So year 2020, 2021, and 2022, there is no price increase, and the price was $745 USD. However, after the global price increase last July 4th, now the new price is $760 USD. Alright, now let us move on to the bags. First, we have the very beautiful Alma BB. Year 2020 price is for $1,480 USD. 2021 160.20 USD, and another price increase on 2022 that was 1,760, and now the price, guys, is 1,820 US dollars. And then we have the Alma BB in the Epi leather. 2020 price is 1,760. Then it increased 2021 to 1,820. Another price increase 2022, new price of 1,960, and now after July 4th, price now is staggering 2,020 US dollars. Wow. Next, we have the well-loved Pochette Metis in the reverse monogram and classic monogram canvas. So, multiple price increases. 2020, that's 2,050. 2021, 2,360 USD. Then 2022, it increased to 2,570. Now, after July 4, price is 2,620 US dollars. Then we have the classic Petite Mal. So, 220, it's only priced at 5,500. It's the same price at 2021, but it increased 200 USD on 2022. Then another 200 price increase on July 4th, 2024. Now new price is 5,900 USD. Then we have the classic Crosette top handle bag. 2020, the price is 1,790 USD. 2021, it increased to 1,860 USD. 2022, another price increase to 1,960, and another price increase on July 4th. Now, new price is 2,000 USD. Wow. Then we have another classic bag, the Cans bag. 2020 price is 2,540. It increased 2,700 year 2021. Another price increase on 2022, 2,910. Then 2024 new price is 2,970 USD. And then we have the very beautiful Vanity PM. 2020, the price is only 2,650 USD. 2021, it increased to 2,700 USD. 2022, it increased to 2,840 USD. And another price increase July 4, 2024 to 2,900 USD. And then we have the on-the-go size MM. So 2020, the price was 2,770 USD. It increased to 2,840 last October 2021. Then another price increase last September 2022 to 3,100. And now July 4th, new price is 3,150 USD. And then we have the very cute Palm Springs Mini. 2020, it's only priced at 1,990 USD. It increased to 2,300 year 2021. Then it increased another 2,440 the following year, and now 2024 new price is 2,490 USD. Wow. Then the size MM of the Palm Springs, 2020 it was 2,400. 2021 it was 2,570. Then 2022 another price increase to 2,710, and now 2024 the new price is 2,760 USD. Next, let us move on to the Dauphine size mini. 2020 it started to 2,890 USD, then it increased to 3,250. Same year 2021 and 2022. Then this year, July 4, 2024, now guys, price is 3,450 USD. Next, we have the Dauphine size MM. 2020 price was 3,250. 2021 price increased to 3,650. 2022 another price increase to 3,800 USD. Now after the July 4th, now new price is 3,900 USD. Wow. Next, we have the multi-pochette accessories. Year 2020, it was only priced at 2,050 USD. Then 2021, 2,360 USD. 2022, 2,570 USD. And then July 4th price increase, new price is 2,620 US dollars. And then we have the Petite Boat Chapeau. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. 2020 it started to 4,850 USD. 2021 new price is 5,150 USD. Then 2022 it increased again to 5,300 USD. Now after July 4th, new price is 5,400 US dollars. Then we have the Neo Noe size MM. Price of this one, year 2020, was 1,810. Year 2021, the price was 1,890. And then September 2022, 2030, it increased now to 2,110 after the July 4th price increase. Then we have the very cute Miss Mini. So 2020, it's only priced at 1,030. Same price with 2021, 1,030 USD. Then 2022, it increased to 1,150 USD. And now another price increase. New price is 1,200 USD. Next, we have the Nice Nano. It originally price was 810 USD last year, 2020. Then October 2021, new price is 810. 2022, 880. Now, after July 4th, new price is 1,040 USD. Then we have the mini Pochette accessories. It only started at the affordable price of $445. 2021, it increased to $540. Then 2022, wow, it increased now to $745 USD. And now July 4th price increase, new price is $760 USD. So another addition to the mini Pochette accessories. Then this is my bag, the Petite Sac Plat. It originally started at 1,440 year 2020, same with 2021. However, September 2022, it increased again to 1,520, and then July 4th, OMG, 1,870 US dollars is the new price. And then we have the Lucky BB. It started 1,840 2020, then 2030 US dollars year 2021, and then another price increase on 2022. That's 2,230, and now new price is 2,270 after the July 4th price increase. And then we have Louis Vuitton's price bag, Capucines size BB. 2020, it's only priced at 5,100 USD. 2021, it increased to 5,650 USD. 2022, another price increase to 6,750 USD. Now, new price is 7,000 US dollars. Wow. Capucine size mini, it originally started 2020, 4,450 USD. And then 2021, it increased to 4,850 USD. And then, of course, September 2022, it increased to 6,100 USD. Then, after the July 4th, new price is 6,350 US dollars. Then, we have the Twist wallet on chain belt. Price 2020 is 1,910, same price 2021. Then there was a price increase 2022. New price is now 1,960. Then after the July 4th increase, the new price of the Twist walk is 2,000 US dollars. Guys, here are some of the bags that did not increase or still has the same price. We have the Alma PM, Neo Alma BB in the Noir arm front. We have the Speedy bandoliers in different sizes. We have the Neverfulls. We have the new Nano No Way, which the price, it was a price drop to 1,650. There, so guys, what are your thoughts regarding Louis Vuitton price increase? So if you have stayed at this part of this episode, kindly leave me this money emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramir52, for daily updates and exciting tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!